Using Apple gift card on Brawl Store is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Apple gift card on Brawl Store. So first thing first, you need to redeem the Apple gift card to have some funds into your Apple account. As you guys can see, I'm at the Android, but I'm going to show you how you guys can do it in iOS. So for that, you simply have to open up your App Store. In your App Store, you have to tap on your profile, which should look something like that. Now after tapping on that, you will see these options here. You have to tap on this button which says redeem gift card or code. Now afterwards, you will be given two options if you want to redeem the card manually, or if you want to use the camera to automatically scan the code from the card. Now after that, your funds will be added to your Apple account. Now for afterwards, you simply have to open up your Brawl Store. Now after opening up the Brawl Store, you will easily be able to buy anything using Apple Pay right there. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to pay using the Apple gift card. Hope you guys find this video helpful.